So have you ever blown a sale because you just didn't want to feel pushy or icky? Or sometimes you feel like a bit out of your depth. You may be great at what you do, but when you come down to it, you know that you have to make sales to have a successful business, or to have any business, you have to make sales, but everything just doesn't feel comfortable. And I work with so many people that that's exactly the problem they have, with is how to have the right conversation with the right person. So they take away all of that icky feeling, and they just actually know that instead of selling something to somebody, the people are buying things from them because they trust them, and because they're talking the right language. And knowing how to figure out the right language for the right person is a skill, but once you've got it, you will not believe how your business will really grow and take off. On the one-day sales mastery class, that's part of what we do. Spend a lot of time deep diving into your individual customer and how to have the right conversation with them. I really hope that you can join me on the day. Check out the link below and just see what's happening, what's involved. And if you get in early, you actually get to save $100 as well. I'd love to see you at the workshop. If you've ever had any issues around selling or feeling anxious around it, this is perfect for you. Authentic, real, and it's all about supporting the customers, not making a sale. I'll see you there.